Most people will work 40 years and retire broke. This took me 40 days. The problem? You're selling your time and time runs out. Passive income doesn't. Here are 3 streams anyone can start this week. Number 1, digital products. A Notion template, a PDF guide, an ebook. You make it once. It sells forever. I made $300 from one template I built in an afternoon. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Recommend the tools you already use. Drop a link. Every time someone buys, you earn a cut. No product needed, no inventory. Number 3, YouTube itself. Every video you post keeps earning ad revenue for years. This video is paying me right now. That's the game. Next week, I'm breaking down stream number 1 step by step from zero. Follow so you don't miss it. And comment which stream you're starting first.